you want to be a Gen Z, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay, now what you got that on?
So no one wants to be a Gen Z.
What's your cereal? Do you want a different cereal, love?
Hug, 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 hug.
Ask your daddy.
These are those sounds? This is my son, you're gonna die. Pet the donkeys, they love you. Look. Chocolate, not love. Lily say chocolate.
Chakapan. Chakapan. Chakapan.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today is Monday. It is May, ano na ba ngayon? May pa rin, diba? It's 29th of May. And alis lang kami ni Daddy saglit to buy some stuff sa Landers. Kasi bukas, pupunta kami sa Batangas. Bibisitahin namin bukas si Kuya, tsaka sila Sefi, si Sabina, si Jane. And I think fiesta din ata sa kanila tomorrow. So, nakausap ko si Kuya before. Sabi ko sa kanya, since in-invite niya kami doon, sabi ko sa kanya, huwag niya na kaming paghandaan. Kasi magdadala kami ng, kumbaga, meat na iluluto pag punta namin tomorrow. Parang kailangan lang namin is grill. Kasi yan lang naman gusto ng asawa ko, inihaw. Kahit na anong inihaw sa charcoal, happy yan siya. I mean, hindi naman kahit ano, kasi ayaw niya naman kasi hindi ako kumakain ng isda na inihaw. But, kapag nag-ihaw ka ng chicken, or, you know, meat, beef, or pork, gusto niya yan. So na-excite kami for tomorrow kasi si Lily super excited na makita yung kanyang pinsan na si Sefi. And, nag-message na rin ako sa bahay kung sino-sino yung mga sasama or sino-sino mga pupunta bukas para ma-set up na yung mga, yun naman yun, sasakyan or anything. Kasi yung sasakyan namin, hindi kakasya ang lahat. So, ayun. Also, another thing that I have been doing is editing kasi medyo sinasamantala ko guys yung andito yung kapatid ko si Sassy and busy yung mga bata. So, gusto ko makapag-edit as much as I can para makapag-catch up ko sa mga videos. Kasi ang dami kong videos pero kulang pa sa pag-edit and gusto kong ituloy-tuloy yung daily vlog. A lot of you have been messaging me. Natatawa pa ako sa mga comments kasi sabi sa akin, Mami Chara, bakit sobrang bitin ng mga videos nyo? Guys, ang hirap kasi mag-edit. Ang hirap. And minsan, nakakalimutan ko na mag-film. So, maiksi lang talaga yung mga videos ko. Minsan nga, pinagsasama ko na yung 2 days, diba? So, ayun. Kaya, natutuwa ako. Kasi gusto nyo mas mahabang video, which is, I'm going to try. At tapos gusto nyo rin na everyday yung upload. So, ano na lang gagawin ko? Alam ko, kaya ko naman siya kasi nagagawa ko siya before, diba? Kaya lang, dahil nga medyo naipunan ako ng mga videos, kailangan ko lang makatch up yung pag-i-edit. But, we'll get there. We will get there. Why you look excited? Show me excited face. For that?
For the fiesta?
For the fiesta.
For the fiesta?
Excited siya. Nabili siya ng
You want them?
dadalhin
For
doon.
the fiesta?
I'm driving. I can't drink. I'm sorry to disappoint you for your fiesta celebration. Binila niya si La Kuya ng, ang laki naman ito.
1.5 liters?
It's a lot, it's a lot.
Kill ya?
Kumuha din ako ng upuan for Lily pag nagbe-breakfast. Kasi kawawa naman sa ibabaw ng mesa kumakain. So far, ito yung ating binili. Yung ganito guys, pag mamimili kayo, always check pala yung inside, yung loob. Kasi may nabili kami nakaraan, bukas na. Sa bahay na namin na-realize. So ngayon, ayan, ina-open namin, check. But yeah.
Oh, the wrap. Why do you make wraps? For me?
Why don't you make wraps for me? take a picture with Batman?
No.
Show it to Lily.
No, can't.
Why?
You should get mad.
Why?
Why? You should get mad.
It's your idol.
Not Batman.
Really, you like Batman?
I like Batman, yeah.
Oh.
If Thor was there, it'd be different.
Wait. What?
School's got his bike and everything, look. It's massive, isn't it?
It is.
Let's go.
Are you sure you don't want to take a picture with Batman?
No. It's fine.
Batman's getting gas. There's Batman. Roll down the window and go, Batman!
Batman!
Say hello, Batman!
Oh, right, look, yeah, that's it. What? Said it in louder. Look, there's Batman!
Did you?
Yeah.
You're embarrassing.
Why?
You.
Why not?
You're not embarrassing.
I love that stuff.
Go on then.
You want anything?
No, thank you. Hello, hello. Luto tayo ulit ng sopas. Dahil ito yung paborito ng aking asawa at mga anak. Ang dami nilang kumain kapag nagluto ako ng sopas or tinola, di ba? Ang dami silang kumain. Dahil medyo light yung mga yung parang napapansin ko medyo hindi sila masyadong magana lately. Since nag-move kami, parang gusto ko magluto ng something na familiar para sa kanila. Yung mga unang dating namin kasi dito, yung mga kinakain namin, tsaka yung mga bata, yung bibilis lang i-prepare. Yan, yung nuggets, mga process na. So, mas gusto ko talaga na nagluluto sana. Hopefully tomorrow, makapag-prepare ako ng food ni AA na i-freezer. In fairness, nagbura na yung sibuyas, no? Itong 3/4, 133 na lang. Ayan. Hindi ko na rin na-haul yung mga pinamili ko kanina kasi si Daddy nagligpit. Paano tayo maglulong na vlog nito? Ano? Kung ganyan parati, ano? Ay, wala tayong cabbage. Paano tayo magsusopas ng walang cabbage?
Lily, you going bye-bye? Oh, no, me, Sukio. We're going bye-bye. Come on.
Lalabas daw silang mag-ama. Yeah? Lily, are you coming with Daddy? No? Peekaboo! I'm gonna get you! Wawa naman, si Daddy pa naman natutuwa kasi super close na silang mag-ama. Kaya lang pag sinumpong talaga na gusto ako ni AA, wala lang magagawa ang kahit na sino. Guys, may nabili ako na chicken broth. 38% less sodium siya, natural goodness, ganyan. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa Dubai pag nagsusopas ako. Kasi mas prefer ng aking asawa. Gusto niya yung lasa. So, ito yung pinakapangsabaw natin. Mag-add na lang tayo mamaya ng water. You can make your own. Kailang wala akong time na magmuha ng chicken broth ngayon. And nakita ko to kanina sa Livers. It's just easier and faster. What I love about this, it's non-GMO and it doesn't have MSG. So, 100% natural siya. Pakukulaan ko lang ito. And mamaya natin dagdagan ng sabaw kapag ilalagay ko na yung pasta. Mapansin nyo guys, umuuga yung aming pot. Ito lang yung problema namin dito. I can't wait until dumating yung mga pots ko at saka yung aking pans. Kasi yun yung problema namin dito. Ito, maliban sa umuuga-uga siya, yung ginagamit naming pan, manipis siya, tapos parang may iba yung amoy na lumalabas. Pero okay naman siya, it's doable. Kaya mas prefer ko talaga yung thicker pan. Ayoko naman na din bumili ng bago, since hindi ko pa naman din kailangan. And nagagamit pa naman namin ito. I saw that love you gave your daddy, ah.
Just a book for my kid. Paris, take your shoes off, my son.
Where'd you guys go?
Don't you want to wear the charger?
She found it.
What was that?
What happened?
I'm doing it.
Ayun guys, tapos na yung ano natin sopas. Wala lang tayong cabbage kasi nakalimutan bumili. What are you doing? What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Eating sopas?
You're taking all the soup over the kids. No soup for the kids?
Yeah, what about them?
What about them?
Let, A.
See you.
Good. What about the bocho? Come get the bocho. Tell the bocho it's time to eat.
It's your pasta noodles. Yummy? Yummy? Diba? Gusto nila, oh. Ate, do you like it? Yeah, we need one more love. It took over. You were right. Fist bump. Fist bump.
Bye.
Bye. I don't like auntie. Yummy sopas.
What are you doing those?
Huh? You love your sopas, don't you? Love sopas, no? Gusto niya yan, yun.
Mine's just soup, bocho. No, stay there.
Eat na. Pasta. What's the pasta?
High five. Palm it.
What?
Okay.
You want an aray? I'll give you aray. Are you ready? You want aray?
Okay.
Aray. 1, 2, 3. Do you get aray to ate? Aray. EM. Who wants aray?
Me, I want
Oh. You gave AA aray. Kiss your aray. Love, mommy. Love, mommy. Aray?
Aray.
Ready? Get set.
Aray.
Tumakas. Aray. You look more like a kid now that you don't have those teeth. Because before, I was looking at you and I thought, you can't be just 6 years old. You look so much. You look like a big girl now. You look like a dalaga. And now, you lost your teeth there. Now you look like a proper kid that you are. And I love it. Mwah. Para siyang matured kasi guys, nung kumpleto pa yung ngipin niya. She looks so beautiful! It's unreal that she's only 6. Para na siyang 18. Now she lost that. I'm reminded that she's only a child. She's only a kid. I love you.
I'm a vampire.
And she said she's a vampire. Scary. You're scary. I love you, ate. Did you shower na? Who showered you?
Daddy.
And AA too, right?
Mhm.
Do you have a great daddy?
Mhm.
Yeah, he's cool. He's a great daddy. Me.
But next time we'll get the lie detector.
What?
For Daddy.
For daddy, you wanna zap him? Nakita siya kanina
I
sa
want
toy
to
store.
zap him if he's telling a lie.
Yeah.
So when he puts his hand,
Mhm.
and he said the lie, it will zap his hand.
Yeah.
And do you know what?
Yeah.
This
Batok-batok
one
na
is
yung
a lie detector too.
What's a lie detector?
It's the one that if you're telling a lie, it'll do something, but if you're telling the truth, it'll do something too. And do you know what? There's another lie detector. It's a big lie detector.
Mhm.
You put your finger in the hole where your finger is.
When your finger goes.
Yeah, then there are two buttons. There's a red button, and they're not buttons. They're light. They're a red light and a green light. When you're saying a lie, the red light will turn on. Then if you're telling the truth, the green light will turn on. That's not gonna zap you or anything.
I have a question for you. When your teeth grows back, right, and then these other two teeth will fall off, are you gonna be a rabbit?
How?
When you got two big teeth here, and then these ones fall off.
These ones fall off.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be a rabbit if these two fall off and these two grow.
Yeah.
And if I look like a rabbit, I'm gonna go like this.
You like it when your teeth fall off?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I get more money.
Oh, from what?
Tooth fairy.
From who?
Tooth fairy.
Tooth fairy. So cute, baby. And what did you say yesterday? You can smile and?
I can smile and it's the same shape like this. There's a spam, a little spam.
Yeah.
Then I go like this. Then I go like this. inside my mouth.
Yeah.
And I'm smiling.
Yeah. Take care of your teeth, okay? Did you brush your teeth? Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, he's worried. Lily, is there water in the bath? Is there water in the bath? Okay, let me, tanggalan natin ng water yung bag. May mga bata talaga tayo. Hindi natin maiwasan, hindi sisigaw. Oh my gosh, it's so wet here. Don't go in here. What did you guys do? Ay, no. Outside. You brush your teeth later na lang, Lily. Diyos ko, basang-basa yung sahig. Ang ginawa ng mga anak ko. Hindi ligo. Tampisaw. No, outside. Let it dry muna. Ay, naku po. So, yung kanina pala, hindi ko lang po napakita pa sa inyo. Nakabili kami ng outdoor mosquito repellent. No, not repellent. Parang siya insecticide. So, ginamit namin siya kanina sa labas. And in fairness, marami-raming mga mosquito yung nabawas. Check ulit siya tomorrow and then sprayan ulit natin siya tomorrow. Hindi ko na siya na-vlog, guys. Dahil alam niyo na. And also, yung sasakyan namin, pinadala namin sa casa kasi nag-flat yung isang gulong. So, dinala siya ng pinsan namin. That works in... Ano ba? Paano ka mag-vlog nito? Ayun, chinek nila. And then tomorrow, check ko ulit. Ayun, inayos nila. Tapos mamaya, ano daw? Uy, Diyos ko po, kayong dalawa.
Sorry, Mommy.
Careful, anak. We don't want accident in our house. Binata ko na, guys, yung ng mga gulong, yung sasakyan. So, dapat hindi na siya nagpa-flat. Pero kailangan ma-check ulit. Ang dami ko inasikaso today. Anyway, hindi tayo makapag-vlog nito dahil ang gugulo ng mga bata. Careful, his head, ha?
You know what?
Not too yeah.
He loves it.
You know. Again, but slowly, ha? Not fast.
Sit down.
Not fast. All done.
Again. Okay. Ready, get set, go.
Slowly.
I'm done.
All done.
Again. One more. Okay. Ready, get set, go.
Kiss, kiss. I have an idea. We'll use we'll use the curtain so it's smoother. Are you ready? Here. Ready? Get set, go. Hold on. You have to lay down so you can go faster. Lay down. Faster, you have to lay down.
Lay down for faster.
Lay down. Lay down for faster. Hold this. Ready? Get set.
Go.
Did we make a dress for you? Are you singing Mommy and Daddy's wedding song? You're humming it.